Now lady is going to rotate clockwise. Man is going to lead the rotation with the left hand above the lady's head. And lady is going to take a step with the right leg to the side, rotate on the right leg, connect the left one. Meanwhile, we're going to switch our hands to end up with the lady's left hand in the man's right one. Both partners need to end up with the body weight on the leg closer to each other, then bend the knee and push away from each other at the same time. Ladies, you can lead your right hand to the side. Men can do the same. Lead the hand to the side or lead it behind your back, whatever you prefer. From that point, lady is going to rotate counterclockwise one more time, this time ending up in front of the partner, taking additional step, placing the hands on the man's shoulders, neck. You want to rotate up to the point when your right side is to the partner, and we're going to go into the dip. Lady is standing on the right leg, left one is extended in front, bend the right knee, keep your hips high and tilt your upper body backward. You can hold on to the man with both hands or just with the right one, leading the left hand to the side. Now, a few important tips about the dip. First of all, keep your hips high, avoid a feeling like you're sitting down. Second part is do not lean on the partner too much. Try staying within your balance as much as you can. Remember to bend your right knee. Now let's focus on the man's perspective. You're standing on the left leg, lead the partner into the rotation. Avoid pulling the lady onto you, but in front of you. That's very important. Transfer the body weight onto your right leg while initiating the lady's rotation. Place the hands around her waist, and with her last step, transfer the body weight onto the left leg. Bend the left knee. Extend your arms, but avoid leaning over the lady. Keep your back straight. Both partners should take the last step together at the same time. It's not about the lady throwing herself, but together transferring the body weight. Men, avoid leaning over the lady. You want to create a counterbalance for the lady with your back straight away from the lady, rotating your body to the left and straightening the arms. Let's now count the last part. We're after the basic step in the shadow position. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. End up facing each other.